Hello everyone. Welcome back to the CNC lecture hall. First, let's take a look at the first image. Isn't this image very familiar to everyone? This is a picture of the cockpit of an airplane. Are there many buttons densely arranged on it? What are these buttons used for? I believe everyone would answer that they are used to control the movement of the airplane. Our CNC machine tools are the same. In this lesson, we will learn about the operation panel of CNC machine tools. Before we start this lesson, let's take a look at a few more images. From these images, we can see the car cabins. There are Ferrari, BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. What is the similarity between them? They are all photos of car cabins. The difference is that they are car cabins designed by different car manufacturers. Similarly, our CNC machine tools are also the same. CNC machine tools produced by different manufacturers have differences in their panels. In this lesson, we will explain using the most common FANUC machine tool operation panel. The operation panel of a CNC machine tool also has many buttons, each representing different functions. The buttons on the FANUC operation panel are mainly divided into three parts. They are the control panel keys, MDI function keys, and CRT display keys. Let's first look at the control panel keys. The keys on this panel are mainly used to control the mechanical movement of the machine tool. It contains many buttons with different functions. The first one we need to learn about is the machine tool's main power switch. It is usually located at the back of the machine tool. When the switch is set to on, it means the machine tool's power is on. Conversely, when set to off, it means the machine tool's power is off. Once the machine tool's power switch is on, we need to turn on the system's power next. It's like using a computer at home. Not only do we need to press the button on the power strip, but also press the power button on the main computer case to correctly turn it on. At this point, we press the power switch, which means supplying or cutting power to the lubrication, cooling, and other mechanical parts, as well as the CNC system. Next, let's look at a large red button on the panel, which is very noticeable. It is the machine tool's emergency stop button. It's like the emergency brake handle on a train. When the lever is pulled, the train car will stop moving. When a machine tool is about to be in danger, once the emergency stop button is pressed, it will immediately stop all movements. After learning how to turn the machine tool on and off, we need to learn about some commonly used operation buttons. In the control panel, these buttons are also classified differently. The mode selection keys include Edit, Auto, DNC, MDI, Jog Handwheel, Return to Reference Point, and Single Block. Next, let's look at their functions. The Edit key is used to control the input of the program. The Auto key is used to control the automatic operation of the machine tool. DNC is used to control the automatic operation of the machine tool. MDI key is used to control manual data. For example, inputting parameters. Jog key is used to control manual cutting feed. When the corresponding X, Y, Z plus minus buttons are pressed, it can move in the specified direction. The handwheel key is used to control the incremental feed method. When this key is pressed, the manual pulse generator should be found on the side of the machine tool. Switch between three different magnifications. When rotating the hand-operated pulse generator, the clockwise direction feeds the tool in the positive direction, while the counterclockwise direction feeds the tool in the negative direction. The return to reference point key is used to control the machine tool's axis return to the machine's 0 point. After the corresponding axis returns to the 0 point, the indicator light will turn on, indicating that the return to the reference point is complete. These are the commonly used keys on the control panel. Next, let's learn about the MDI function keys. The MDI function keys are mainly used for program input that we will learn in the future. Similar to the keys on our computer keyboard, they are composed of many letters and numbers. So, what are the key buttons we need to focus on? Pose key is used to display the tool's coordinate position. Prog key is used to display the programs stored in memory in edit mode. Offset key is used to display the tool compensation value, as well as the work coordinate system, etc. Shift key is used to input the uppercase function keys. Can key is used to cancel the last entered character. Input key is used to input parameters or compensation values. Delete key is used to delete program words, program blocks, and the entire program. Insert key is used for inserting a program. Alter key is used for replacing program words. These are some commonly used MDI function keys. In future lessons, we will specifically discuss how programs use these keys for input. Finally, let's get to know the CRT display keys. Below the CRT display, there is a row of soft keys. The function of these soft keys is determined by the corresponding prompts on the CRT display. When the corresponding soft key is pressed, the corresponding display screen will appear on the screen. For example, if we want to display the machine tool's coordinate system, we need to press the corresponding integrated soft key. These are the key points about the FANUC machine tools operation panel we learned in this lesson. Guys, in your future learning, you need to master these commonly used keys to operate the machine tools skillfully. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you all.